Good morning, everybody. Today we're at what is regarded as Scotland's finest stately home, Hopetoun House. Hopetoun House lies about 2 miles from South Queensferry and has a wonderful elevated position overlooking the Firth of Forth. Hopetoun House was commissioned in 1699 for the Hope family, and the Hope family today still live here. The house is protected and run by the Hopetoun House Preservation Trust. The original house was designed by Sir William Bruce, but was further extended and the pavilions built on either side and the front of the house by William Adam.
and they are copies of a French design.
It's so nice to be back at Hopetoun House. I got married here 10 years ago, so it has a lot of wonderful memories for me. This is the room I was lucky enough to get married in, and it made a beautiful setting for what was a really lovely day.
I still recall the first time I saw you. I was so nervous to talk. Happened so fast. Went from so lonely to falling asleep in your arms. I used to be afraid to fall in love. My past relationship was a disaster, but now I don't care. 'Cause you took my scars, bruises and broken heart, numbed all the pain, show me how to heal, and now I don't feel broken anymore. Still got your smell wrapped in my bed sheets. Don't wanna wash it away. I know sometimes I get too caught up in all of the wrong things, but you're always there to guide me. I used to be afraid to fall in love. A past relationship was a disaster, but now I don't care. 'Cause you took my scars, bruises and broken heart, and numbed all the pain, show me how to heal, and now I don't feel broken anymore. Be afraid until I met you. I was insecure, caught up in the pain, but you showed me how to heal. Took my scars, bruises and broken heart, numbed all the pain, show me how to heal, and now I don't feel broken anymore. Numbed all the pain, show me how to heal, and now I don't feel broken anymore.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see beauty lives in me. Later, it comes later, dear. For many of us, I promise you that we learn through the wrongs, and even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know. Trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. It's gonna take some time to get there. I don't care. I'm in for the fight. But I know that beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say.
Scotland really is a remarkable country. This beautiful house and gardens are just 5 minutes drive from my home in Edinburgh, and walking around I just realised how blessed I am to live in such a wonderful, beautiful country with amazing heritage, amazing wildlife, and just so much to do and discover. enjoyed my Scottish Highlands road trip. I hope you got some really good ideas for where to visit in Scotland. All the places that were included are my favourites, and I hope you managed to visit them all one day.